quant trading is an incredibly interdisciplinary field. To be successful, you have to draw upon pure technical skills in areas like computer science and mathematics, but you also have to understand markets, understand psychology, and you need to be able to bring that together in a commercial result.
AI is necessary for quant trading because data is growing exponentially, computing power. There's no way for a human being to process the enormous amounts of data.
With the AI for Trading Nanodegree program, you'll see how artificial intelligence is changing finance.
You'll get hands-on experience analyzing real data and developing trading strategies for stock markets.
We worked with WorldQuant and top finance professionals to create a world-class learning experience that can open doors to jobs in finance.
You'll analyze financial market data with predictive models and machine learning algorithms. You'll even use neural networks and natural language processing to generate alpha signals.
The Nanodegree is like a laser. It's focused exactly on what you need today to succeed.